Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. This 2-minute tip video is all about not poking your eye out while you're tending to your tomato plants or pepper plants. Don't want you to get hurt in the garden. I've done this. I've cut myself on my cheek, haven't hit my eye. When we're using these bamboo posts, you know, they're not super sharp, but they will damage your eye. And always, you can see one over here that I have capped off. I just started doing this because I did injure my cheek leaning into the tomato plant. Put a cork on top. You could also use a ping pong ball if you don't have corks. Lucky for me, my wife drinks a lot of wine. So, and no, she doesn't. And in case she watches it, it is not true. Use a Phillips screwdriver. It's the safest way to do it. Just your basic screwdriver. Use something that's more narrow, and you take it about halfway. Then you get a larger Phillips screwdriver, and you take it in about a quarter. That will create a nice hole, and you can put this right onto the tips of your bamboo posts. Let me just show you what I'm doing. You know, some things take a long time to figure out. I don't know why I haven't thought of this sooner. Corks on top of these posts are really important. I have injured myself, you know, leaning into these. Now these come right below my chin. There is anxiety when I come out here because I have these angled outward because I'm pulling these pepper plants away from the tomatoes into the sun more. The hole, the bamboo post, just drop it on, and I feel a lot safer. Now, these are a little bit higher. You know, if they're above your head, you're okay, you can reach in there. But there's other places too, like in my vertical towers, where I put in the shorter post all the way down to really trellis these, and it is real easy to lean into those. So I'm going to get corks. Ask family and friends for their corks, save yours, and you just pop it on like that. You can use ping pong balls, but this will be a really much safer way to use these posts. I don't want anyone to get hurt. And I'm sure, let me know, some of you have done that. You've leaned into a stake, you've cut your face, hopefully you didn't poke your eye out. Thanks so much for watching. This is a really short 2-minute tip, but it's probably one of the most valuable ones because you don't want to lose an eye. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.